Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are sharing some beautiful and simple jute craft ideas. Jute is a natural material that comes from the earth. It is a strong, eco-friendly and full of warmth. Handmade craft, jute rope bring peace, simplicity and love into our homes. So let's start this creative journey together. Jute craft are special because they are natural and honest. When we use jute, we feel close to nature. It gives a soft rustic look that never goes out of style. In today's fast world, handmade craft slow down and jute crafting helps us relax our mind. It teaches us patience and focus. One of the best thing about jute is reuse. Old bottles, jars and box can become beautiful colors. Nothing is wasted in jute craft. Jute wall hanging are very popular. They look simple but very elegant. You can decorate them with beads, lace or wooden buttons. Jute flower pots are perfect for home and balcony. They give plants a natural and fresh look. Green plants and jute make a beautiful match. Jute baskets are useful and decorative. They help keep homes neat and organized. Beauty and usefulness come together. Jute table mats and runners make dining special. They create a warm and cozy feeling. Simple meals feel more meaningful. Jute candle holder bring soft light and calm vibe. They are perfect for evening and peaceful moments. Lights look gentler through jute. Jute bags are strong and stylish. They are good for shopping and daily uses. Use jute rope bags help protect the environment. Handmade jute craft gift wrapping look classy and unique. It shows effort and care. Small details make big impression. And jute photo make frames. Keep memories close to nature. Old photos look more precious in jute frames. Memories deserve gentle care. Jute craft are perfect for beginners. Even simple designs look beautiful. Mistakes add charm to handmade work. Children can also enjoy jute crafting with help. It improves creativity and hand skills. Crafting is a healthy activity. Jute decor suits both modern and traditional homes. It blends easily with wood and plants. Natural decor never feel heavy. Jute craft are budget friendly. You do not need expensive tools, just imagination and love. Festive decoration with jute looks elegant. It gives traditional and warm vibes. Celebration feel closer to culture. Jute name boards, they keep holder. They look warm, welcoming and personal. Small items make daily life easier. And making jute craft is also self-care. It gives peace to the head. Quiet creativity helps the soul. Jute craft supports small artists and business. Buying handmade means supporting dreams. Every piece has a story. Jute craft teach us simple living. We learn the value to natural things, less plastic, more care. Jute craft are not just decoration, they are love, patience and respect for nature. Every handmade piece spreads warmth and positivity. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting handmade art. If you enjoyed this craft video ideas, please like, share and subscribe. Keep creating, keep smiling and stay connected to nature. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.